Game like a Tory, you so special.
I'm yet to work hard, teenage pinga cha mitambo. Itiba zwenda tera, chingo tera zwa mishasho. Welcome to the Van Rap Radio. Ndingadzina ndiduka ndiswana ndingwana ndiwamahungoni ndine matiri vasiduzo vachiritevera vari 1 nepala 0826937124 ndika WhatsApp kana vari Twitter ndinema Van Rap Radio _nema. It's on Instagram kari vanema wamahunguni chivenda music and entertainment ndiyakholwa uri voice youya nyana dzifuluka yeah but lad already chezo yeah man we back again namsirikozena msuwana hononi he's shooting a brand new music video for the track Ndia Muofha but the mumble is the track in breaking into the industry and then go. I remember when I was telling him like, yo, guys, this song is big in Zambia. I was trying to find, oh man, this track is something else. Yeah, so he's finally dropping a music video soon. Unakushootwa nga Z Films. Z Films ni mwa suwana when it comes to videos, man, you get what you paying for. Yeah, so mtunda kwamba ngani Razie Kay and yavoru under Razie Entertainment. So they're busy working on that music video. And I'm just gonna give you a bit of the footage nyana babona uri kutangana mini. And then from then ndia korazori vadokona understand or ukwera god this music video nari ndisambe mapungo manji ndichikorazori machiro yakadiva budina nga hanengeyo Rita D from Rita D Entertainment ushumiwa. Okay. Now kwetia minizin. Okay, I'm just gonna play a bit of background song because the video doesn't really have the audio. Wakungwana musi. So I'm just gonna give you this track and have Razie Kay featuring Mizofil, the Revenge. But the actually footage in account akwambanga high and the footage in worry equal Dylan and Mapunga ori ukushuti wala track and Ndia Muofha. So let's do this thing, Ndia Muofha. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and then comment. That's Rita D, that's Razie Kay. Rita D Entertainment, yeah. Okay. Yeah, Z Films, one of the greatest. Yo, man. And I think we usually share a name. Okay, I found him to go to makeup. Yeah, man, this is a proper video shoot, man. Talking about location, directors, all those things Nero told the vendor breaks. Yeah, man, the video is coming soon. It's a movie, guys. It's a movie. It's a big movie. Like, yo, man, it's like shit. It's some crazy things. Yeah, Razie Kay, yeah, and his own. Rita D film. Yeah, wakubona mus. Production associated with iMovie. Mr. Mo, John Apple, Z Films, iMovie, Billion Bugs. Yeah, this is like a major partnership in Rakibona on Roshumiwa. I'm going to Zotambiwa. So, guys, shoot as many music videos as you can. We need to take over and dominate the TV. And then from there, we're going to dominate the radio and take over SA music. And then we go outside because music washu shurwamborwa shurufunwa all over like unique okungwana mus ari ndoro vanomu vachiamba varozvifa ndazino vari punozona chingondo changa ngezimu chichirwai vone zvinhu vazvifa okay shamna nditunzwa vatu ndingadzina ndiduka ndisowana ndimwana ndiwamahongoni like zvinambazonari I'm gonna give you a bit of footage uri nikonovona uri ukutangana mini Razie Kay ukazvipiyo thanks to lockdown uri ainge chatovongala ndiri yavenga yematomoni but ne hapa noni zvino I'm about to go the great work nyazvidiva rifunova livonga libele raripopo avara iye ne ndivafuna zone vasongwango subscribe comment no share nazvino vanga vako munozori kuti yodhora dita richizviyamba vadhiribvudzo hey guys look at this because we can't see everything that's happening on the entertainment ya venda and around of SA but vazvidiwa mostly it's about venda yeah ava ngori cheka nepo and then download the music mahara www.renderfiles.co.za kana www.vanrapradiostation.co.za vaona music mahara nevachintoda 0826937124 kana vari ndinemo on Twitter vanrapradio_nema on Instagram or nema mahunguni rina kudeshanyana vukati on Facebook kudeshokula kufi highsend yeah kana vari chivenda music and entertainment on YouTube. This is the Hustler's Diary. We hustle, we put things, we make things happen. Everybody knows I'm that hustler. Check the H. It is whatever to a hash. Nda.